Hello, this is Dave, and welcome to Equity Story. I just like to say I think the price action of the ASX 200 is I think it's pretty bullish. It's held above that 20-day moving average, and as long as we can get this sort of price action for next week, there's no reason why we can't keep pulling some good trends out of the market and obviously hopefully making your bank accounts a little bit bigger. I'd just like tonight to have a look at some of those weekly buy and sell signals that we put out on Einstein's trending blog on Sunday evenings. And the first stock that was this week the market was more or less flat. I think it ended the week up about sort of I think 0.2%, but A2 milk ended up about 3.61%, and again it looks even better. I mean, this is off a daily chart. You can see it a little bit better, A2 milk, from the daily chart, and looks absolutely fantastic. It's come down, it's held those moving averages absolutely perfectly and bounced back off, and now got a pretty decent green candle. And I don't know, I feel the way this is moving, it's just touched that $2 level. This could have another really decent good move up next week. So we might be adding this as an official trending stock next week, and it certainly looks very, very good. I think we'll see how the Dow plays out tonight and make that decision on Monday morning. But certainly A2 milk looks absolutely fantastic. And again, BAP up about 2.61% for us this week. Again, another great call. And that we are actually trending this one officially at the moment. And I think we've got about a 580 target price, maybe a little bit higher with it in the short term. But again, I always say with this company, it's just cheating, really. I think even a 2-year-old out of kindergarten could trend this stock. It looks absolutely fantastic. It looks brilliant. Another one of those corporate travel. It's absolutely stunning. Again, we're in pretty good profits this week with it, and I think it's one of the easiest stocks to trend. It's pretty consistent the way it moves, and I wouldn't put it as an official trend at the moment, because I think it's got another week maybe to run. I would like to buy corporate travel nearer this sort of moving average, maybe somewhere back here around sort of 14.5. But it certainly looks absolutely fantastic, and in the short term, certainly over the next few days, I think it's got further to run. Fortescue is a little bit flat this week. Maybe this is a sign it's getting a little bit exhausted. It didn't go down, but it's certainly starting to look a little bit tired. GHC, fantastic trend. This is a company that we've trended a few times before and made really good returns on, and hopefully we can have another good week next week and take some money out of the market. I'll just leave Monodelphous for a second. The FPH again looks fantastic, more or less sitting on a buy signal on that MACD, but again looks absolutely stunning. And I think I think I said this last night on the video, I think this stock could have a good run up next week. Looks very, very good. BLA, Blue Sky, again up about 4% for us. Looks absolutely stunning. Record highs. It's got a MACD buy signal on it. Looks absolutely stunning. So I think this is going to keep on moving next week, and it's going to even bring in more rewards. As with PME, again, a little bit harder this one. Maybe I wouldn't put this one as a bullish share for next week, because it's run a little bit hard, but and I think it's found a little bit of resistance here at the $6 level. But again, fantastic looking company, and again it's traded really well this week, so it looks perfect. The one stock that actually didn't work for us does look really good for next week, which is Monodelphous. So if you have a look at Monodelphous, it would look bullish, but then it just got a little bit exhausted. It had another good day on Monday, but then got a little bit exhausted on Tuesday, Wednesday. Came down, touched that moving average, and it's actually really bullish. It's bounced back above that 10-day moving average, so that's actually a really bullish sign. It's a bit of a holy grail move, and I think this is going to go up again and retest that $12 level and then go even higher. So again, sort of fundamentally it's a good story, MND, and I think this story potentially could be an official trending buy for next week, because I think it's looking very, very good. I think the important thing is those weekly buy and sell signals have again been absolutely stunning and done what they're meant to do and give us some really good indications of stocks that are moving up each week. I'd just like to say we had one classic buy signal, which was APN. It didn't really happen for us. It's pretty unusual. Most of the time those classic buy signals will go through when we put them on. Normally we find if they don't go on, like I pointed out in the video last night, if they don't really happen immediately that week, they'll have a good week the following week. So I'm hoping that happens with APN. They can have a good green candle next week and at least go up and test that sort of 440 level. Anyway, I'm a little bit exhausted. I think this cold is nearly put the end to me this week, and I'm looking forward to having a good rest and a nice quiet time over the weekend and getting all the energy back, and hopefully run some good trends early next week and make some more money. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for listening to Equity Story, and have a great weekend. Thank you and goodbye.